So hello boys and girls, today we're making Jello. I know you're excited. So we have 2 cups of hot water, 2 cups of cold water, and we have some molds. We have a glass cup. We have some candy to put in, and we have some grapes. So you can find this Jello anywhere, and make sure mom's with you because the water is hot. Now we're gonna put the gelatin inside, and let's do this. The water's turning red. So crazy.
Wow.
And then my turn to mix it. Me too. And then put the gummy bear right. I got some. It wasn't so hot. I'm gonna put red. So my brother's so good at mixing. So now we're gonna put 2 cups of water. A lot of bubbles. We just need a little bit. You can do it in the bowl or a cup. Now let's mix. Let's get all the sugar off the bottom. So you can use a paper cup and any kind of cup, even glass cup too, or put gummy bear too. So this is too much. I'm gonna use a spoon. I know it's for soup, but I'm gonna use it for jelly. Let's do this. That's so big. I love Gummy, and I love to put it in here. I want to put Gummy. Like one by one, right? Oh, I'm gonna do some grapes for my baby sister.
Aww.
Can we have more? My baby sister loves grapes. Where'd that go? You're so crazy. So now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator. We're back from the other video. We're gonna show you another way to make jelly. Make sure you have this gelatin. I have 2 packs. Here's one more right there. Make sure you have this, or you're never gonna make any jelly forever. So you have to buy it. You can make it to jelly or pudding. You can use juice, you can use milk, whatever you like. So please, please, please make sure your mom and dad are here because we're gonna boil it. And it's gonna be super hot. So you're gonna be in danger if you just burn your house, you're never gonna see your house again and all your favorites. So today we're gonna make 2 bottles of juice to jelly. Now we just turn it on. Let's put the juice in. And so come on, squeeze out. Because you have to do this.
Yeah.
Oh, mine's gone. Now we're gonna turn it off. So now it's done boiling. Now we're gonna mix the gelatin a lot. And then I'm gonna mix it. Do we have both of us? Notice. Now it's time to mix. Look at the gelatin. You're missing it now. Now my brother is putting the juice in, and then we're done. We're gonna put it in the freezer. Hey, we're done. My mom, and we did 2-color one too, and this one's so green. Hey, it's time to eat it. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Now it's time to eat. You're so young. Mom, thank you. This is so yummy, right? Oh. Look, I got the gummy bear. Goodbye, everybody, and if you love our video, please subscribe. Bye!